Hello guys, in this video we are going to add the Node.js variable and the npm environmental variable. So first thing, we need to go to here, C, then program files, and then we will have to locate Node.js. We will need this path, so I'm going to click here and I will copy the path. I'm going to click on the Windows icon to open this one, and then I'm going to type in environmental variables. I will click enter, environmental variables, and here we need to add new node home, and I will click Ctrl V here and OK. Then I will need to find the path here, and in the path I'm going to add new, Ctrl V, and I'm going to add another one new, and I will need to locate the other one. The other one is for npm, so let's find it together. We will come here, npm, and then let's copy this path again. And let's get back here. Let's add it in here. I will click on new, Ctrl V, OK, OK, OK. This time I'm going to click again on the Windows icon, and I'm going to write cmd to check if I have it installed or not. I will type in node-v and then npm-v, and that should be all for this one.